Bullish 1CH cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $2.01 and $4.37 by 2030. Market examiners accept 1CH could reach $2.01 by 2025. Bearish 1CH market cost expectation for 2022 is 35 cents. 1CH presentation. DEXs are decentralized trades. They are the stages or trades where cryptographic money exchanging happens without the inclusion of an outsider. As such, no monetary foundation or organization is engaged with the activity of a decentralized trade. Members exchange on decentralized stages without segregation and must just interface their advanced wallets to effectively exchange. DEXs don't give anybody admittance to their clients' resources or individual data, so individuals exchange with their assets in their grasp, as it were. Many trades have set costs for digital currencies that fluctuate from one trade to another, and merchants attempt to purchase the coins at the least value conceivable to expand benefits. This digital money guide will show you all that there is to be familiar with the 1inch organization and its highlights. Regardless, we will keep on zeroing in on the 1inch organization cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. What is the 1inch organization? This organization has made exchanging more helpful. It dissects all DEXs and tracks down the one with the least cost to propose to its clients for them to get the best cost. The essential objective of this 1inch organization is to give better value choices to its clients while keeping up with resource liquidity and security. 1inch organization environment. This 1inch organization is comprised of 3 conventions that guarantee its smooth activity and offer types of assistance to its members. 1inch total convention. This convention's motivation is to decide the best way for its clients. There are various liquidity trades in the computerized market that help different digital currencies on their foundation. Each with its own arrangement of costs. Some deal a greater cost for a coin, while others offer a similar coin at a lower cost. This convention examines the costs on these trades and prescribes to its clients the trade with the most reduced cost in contrast with different stages. Clients can exchange for a minimal price subsequently. 1inch liquidity convention. The convention handles all assignments connected with insurance and well-being. This convention shields members from different dangers that they might experience while exchanging. It additionally gives motivating forces to its clients. 1inch breaking point request convention. This convention is the most as of late refreshed of the 3. Its administrations limit clients' organization trade open doors and decentralized finance. Different highlights of this convention incorporate unique valuing and restrictive orders. This convention likewise upholds custom executions, for example, stop misfortune and following stop orders. 1inch wallet. This wallet empowers exchanging on an assortment of trade stages. Clients store their resources in the advanced wallet and associate it to the 1inch organization to start exchanging without giving over control of their resources for anybody. This 1inch wallet is an easy-to-understand versatile stage that safeguards the resources of the clients. It likewise works on the members' exchange and marking abilities. 1CH coin outline. The 1inch organization's ticker image is 1CH. It gives capacity to the 1inch organization and empowers clients to take an interest. These tokens offer their clients motivators as well as liquidity mining programs, which has expanded their interest. Also, the coin permits clients to exchange coins at the most ideal costs that anyone could hope to find. Moreover, holders of 1CH coins reserve the privilege to decide on future coin-related recommendation. Many trade stages, including Binance, Coinbase, Huobi Worldwide, FTX, OKEX, Kraken, and KuCoin, support the exchanging of 1CH organization coins. Despite the fact that Coinbase permits the sending and getting of 1CH tokens, exchanging by means of computerized wallets isn't upheld. The 1CH organization token is facilitated on the Ethereum blockchain and requires 14 organization affirmations before an exchange can be finished. The greatest withdrawal sum for 1CH is 31,251 CH, with a base cost of 3.331 CH coin. 1CH is at present worth 44 cents USD. 1CH has moved 0.69% as of now with an exchanging volume of $16,030,735. 1CH is at present positioned 84 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $339,933,257 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for 1CH to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant 1CH market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. 1CH value forecast 2022. 1CH, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The 1 in CH cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 66 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 62 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. 1 in CH is supposed to have a base worth of 53 cents. 1 in CH value forecast 2023. In 2023, 1 in CH cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of 1 in CH will before long outperform $1.11. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the 1 in CH's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, 1 in CH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 89 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 98 cents. 1 in CH value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.56 and 1 in CH may benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. 1 in CH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.43 and a low of $1.34 in 2024. 1 in CH value forecast 2025. If 1 in CH effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the 1 in CH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, 1 in CH will be green in 2025. The 1 in CH is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $2.01, with a base cost of $1.78 and a typical cost of $1.87. 1 in CH value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the 1 in CH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.32 by 2026, with a base cost of $2.23 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, 1 in CH has a greatest value worth of $2.45. 1 in CH value forecast 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.76. On the off chance that 1 in CH figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.90. Neglecting to accumulate the help 1 in CH requirements by 2027 could bring about a low of $2.67. 1 in CH value expectation 2028. While 1 in CH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $3.12 and a yearly cost close above $3.34 in 2028. 1 in CH value expectation 2029. By 2029, 1 in CH